In this exam application tutorial, we're looking at atomic structure. The question for 6 marks: describe the number and positions of electrons, neutrons, and protons in an atom with an atomic number of 9 and an atomic mass of 20. In other words, where is each type of particle found in the atom, and how can you use the atomic number and mass to work out the number of each particle? So we know this atom has 9 protons because it has an atomic number of 9. We know it has 11 neutrons because it has a mass of 20. So the mass is the protons plus the neutrons. So if 9 represents the protons, we take away 9 from 20, we're left with 11 neutrons. But we have to say, describe the positions. So these will be found in the nucleus. So you can see protons and neutrons are found in the nucleus. We also know that this atom has 9 electrons, and that's because the number of electrons equals the number of protons. So by definition, the atomic number tells you the number of protons, but you also know that it will be balanced by the number of electrons. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 electrons. And the electrons are found in the shells. But it also helps to place these electrons accurately. So the first shell takes 2 electrons, so it has 2 on its first shell and 7 on its outer shell or second shell. So this really allows you to use the periodic table to answer a question. You don't need anything else other than the periodic table to work out a lot of this.